Hello, everyone. This is Sonia. Welcome to Bali. I wanted to record this video for all of you. I am over here at a beautiful Ayurvedic resort in Bali for 11 days. Philippe and me are getting some wonderful treatments, and I will definitely share with you where this is and so forth when the time is right, because I am planning a retreat over here for 2026. Stay tuned. But why am I here? Today, I want to talk about the biggest event of 2025. The Radiant Balance Summer Solstice Retreat. This retreat is so close to my heart because we have some Ayurvedic experts who are going to be joining us. Internationally renowned Dr. Suhas Kshirsagar and his wife, Dr. Manisha. Both have written over 6 books. They have been the veterans of Ayurveda who have traveled globally with Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. And Dr. Suhas, he has shared the stage with Dr. Deepak Chopra, with Dr. Oz, with Dr. Wayne Dyer. These are some of the veterans in the wellness industry. And you don't want to miss them. They're going to be here in person in Kingston, flying from California to be here in Kingston with us to give 6 unique workshops. Right from emotional resilience to talking about the circadian rhythm. We're going to be talking about menopause, andropause. I'm going to be having a cooking workshop. We will be having a regular yoga and meditation. We're going to be doing a lot. So this is more than just a relaxing retreat. You will really leave the retreat with some wonderful tools that you can implement right away. Not only that, you're going to be inspired, exactly like I was. This is how I got into it, by working with inspiring teachers, by implementing some of these steps. And the more you get inspired, the more you are able to transform your life in a very positive way. So I hope you can join in, and it's already half sold out. So don't wait too long if you really want to be there. And I will share more about this place as well. That's for 2026. And stay tuned. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this. Take care. Bye-bye.